So the Ciatti Company is a global wine and grape brokerage. We operate 8 offices around the world. We have 45 people total in the company, with 22 of them being brokers. So we're really just a straight broker. We just set up the difference between the buyer and the seller, and we try to negotiate a price for a certain amount of volume, and the seller pays the commission after the sale and payment has been made. The goal here is to try to create more business and have the industry thrive a little more by selling bulk wine between people. Some wineries have extra bulk wine, some wineries don't have any. So our goal is to try to put these together and make sure that we continue to help grow the business. So this morning I talked about the opportunities and supply around the world. My goal was to kind of highlight the different places around the world, Argentina, Chile, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, France, Europe, and California, to talk about the supply situation as it stands. Overall, the market is getting better. 2017 was a very low year around the world, and that was kind of, I wouldn't say it's a once in a lifetime, but certainly it was once in every 30 years that something like that happens. And now that we're starting to see growth back in those markets, we should see the supply grow again. I think one of the important parts that came up was, well, who's the buyers around the world? And certainly North America and China is a huge buyer, and we're looking forward to the IBWSS show in Shanghai in November of 2019. The show's been great. I mean, as compared to last year was the first time. This is at least twice, maybe 3 times more active than we saw last year, and so we're just looking forward to a great day.